got
Ow.
the heebie-jeebies.
Ow.
I done did it, it gave me the heebie-jeebies. God dang, gave me the heebie-jeebies. I hit the blunt, the shit gave me the heebie-jeebies. God dang, gave me the heebie-jeebies.
No. Heebie-beezy, it be me on YouTube TV. Holla when you see me. Like, if you like me, then subscribe. That way you can still see me. You dig where I'm coming from, don't you? If you could trade a style in, you would, won't you? Cause I stay super fly. I be high, I be in the sky. Touchdown, I'm going around. I'm gonna pass the mic now. Chino, it's going down.
Had me feeling some type of way, When I hit the gas, took off, I'm out of space, It ain't no race, I'm in my pace, Catch up, you late, Nah, man, I'm great, Like a shark in that water, I can't be contained, Nah, I ain't the one to blame. I ain't gon' complain about the getting that bread on the way to the money. No, I gotta get it, ain't a damn thing funny.
Ain't nothing funny, oh no, we ain't laughing. I see the bag, I just go get it, grab it. Like a savage, I really gotta have it. I need that bankroll. Hey dude, tell them what time it is though.
What time it is? It's time to get the bag. I'm chilling in the main cab with Chino and my dad. I'm going to get the bag. We riding in the Cadillac. You know if she bad, she know I'm gonna have to act. If she got a you know I'm gonna smack. You know I'm gonna respect my dad, but you don't know how to act. But I'm a grown man, I'm about to show you how to do it.
Let's go.
When you on the beat, you know that I can go with Mr. Screw, but watch out.
Screw it, dog. I'm untangled and twisted. Had your ass missing, laid up in the bushes.
Damn.
Pay attention when I come through just like that.
Easy.
Sit up in that big body, that Benz, it's really fat.
You see me?
Rim sitting high, boy,
tall.
I'm floating when I drive.
Alright.
Everybody gonna ask the
Who
same
that?
question. Why? Why you gotta be so goddamn intimidating? Why you got to be so damn gorgeous? Why you gotta be so funny? Why you gotta be so smooth? Why you gotta be so cool? Why you gotta be that dude? That's me, that's Beezy, all on you, TV. Holler when you see me.
Let's go.
Like if you like me.
What up?
Subscribe so you can see me.
Get that light button.
Don't
Get
try me.
subscribe to me.
Don't try me. Let go.
Heard he said it. Heard what he said. Hit that subscribe like button now, yeah.
Bird Star
Star Entertainment.
Entertainment.
Chilling with my brothers, you know how we play.
Bird Star
Ain't no entertain, you know how I'm hanging.
Entertainment.
All in the rim, you know how I'm banging.